In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage a sales team in Pipedrive. Let's dive in and explore these step-by-step instructions to help streamline your team's management process. To get started, head over to pipedrive.com. Once you're logged in, you'll immediately want to navigate to the Pipeliner Deals section. This area provides a comprehensive view of all your sales activities and is the perfect place to begin managing your team more effectively. Now, let's move forward by locating the account icon, typically found in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this icon will present you with various options. For our purposes today, you'll need to select Manage Users. This particular section is critical as it allows you to control who has access to what within your Pipedrive account. If your goal is to organize your team by specific roles or departments, then heading over to the Team Filters is essential. Once there, you can click on the Plus Team button, which will enable you to create new team groups as needed. With your team structures set up, it's now time to add members to these groups. Carefully consider who should be part of each team to ensure you're building efficient and effective units. After organizing your team accordingly, make sure to click Save to keep all the changes intact. Our next area of focus is the permission sets. This feature is crucial for control over what each team or individual can access and modify within Pipedrive. Within the permission sets, locate the global features and choose a team permission set to edit based on your team's specific needs. Whether you need to add or restrict access, make the necessary adjustments here and remember to save your changes. By establishing these permission settings, you ensure that each team member accesses only what they need while maintaining overall security within your system. Moving on, head over to the Users and Access section. When there's a need to make individual changes to access rights, click on the three dots next to the user's name. From the drop-down list, select Edit Access Rights, allowing you to modify permissions for team access at a more granular level. If you're only looking to adjust settings for one person, be sure to click Edit One User and confirm to finalize any changes. Lastly, proceed to Visibility Groups. This feature is a fantastic tool for defining which groups can view certain data, thereby refining what information is available to whom. It's invaluable for restricting or expanding visibility based on specific roles within your team. Once you're satisfied with these visibility settings, make sure to hit Save one last time to secure your settings and apply all changes. By following these comprehensive steps, you'll be well on your way to efficiently managing a sales team within Pipedrive, ensuring that each member has the right tools and access to excel.